Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I have a comparison for you between the Alpaka Metro Sling V1 and the brand new Metro Sling V2. This comparison video is to evaluate the predecessor, the Metro Sling V1, against the successor model, the Metro Sling V2. I'll be highlighting the differences between the two and the new features. Here are the dimensions, I'll just list it up on screen. So let's start with the exterior. You can see that this is the army green colorway made from the Axoflux recycled fabric Poly 600D. It fits entirely in hand, showcasing its small and compact size. Upon opening up the front compartment, you'll find a small pocket with the traditional grey honeycomb lining, familiar with the other Alpaka products. It also includes a removable key attachment that you could use to hold your keys. This pocket is perfect for all your small individual miscellaneous items. It's conveniently placed for quick access. Turning to the back here, we do have 4 attachment points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 at the top here and 2 at the bottom. This allows for versatile wearing options, either vertically or horizontally. So here is the included strap. I'll attach it now to show you what it looks like. It is adjustable as well. So here we attach it on like this. Other one. I'm just attaching it on real quickly, just to show you guys, but you could do it more neatly than me. So here it is. So you can have it like this. Moving on to the main compartment, as you open up, you can see that it does open quite wide at the top here with the accordion style sides that help prevent items from falling out in the center here. And then starting with the back side, we do have adequate padding right here. There's 2 open pockets that can house a smartphone and a smaller one just down below. I'm sure you could fit another device in here. And then there are 3 attachment loops for storing pens or cables right here. It's a bit difficult to see because it's black on black, but I'll have a closer shot later. In the center here, you do have the main area where you can store battery packs or small compact camera or any other small devices that you may have. It does have a bit of branding here as well on the sides, just over here, and then at the front side as well. We have a similar layout to the back. There's a large open pocket at the top here, suitable for a smartphone or notebook. And then below it, there is 3 open pockets, to some which are thin, perfect for pens or styluses. In the center here, you can fit something like AirPods or similar size earphones. It's a straightforward arrangement for organizing your essentials. It does also pass the stand test, meaning it can stand on its own independently. Here's how the Metro Sling V1 looks when worn. It sits nice and compact at the side of your body. You can wear it on either side depending on your preference. You can wear the sling either vertically or horizontally, but in my opinion, I would recommend wearing it vertically. The accordion styles opening on the sides makes vertical orientation more secure, reducing the risk of items falling out compared to wearing it horizontally. Moving on to the Metro Sling V2, this is the new upgraded model with new features. Here are the features. It does come with an overall larger capacity, so let me just put that up on screen for you. Starting off with the exterior, we have some Alpaka branding at the bottom right here, which is quite usual with all the other Alpaka products. Moving on to the front compartment, there's a slim front pocket at the front here where you can store your keys using the built-in magnetic key mod attachment, which is updated from the previous version. So you have this magnetic version here. And then on the front pocket here, there is a hidden zipper pocket where you can store cash, coins, or small headphones in here. This is the compartment, as you can see, just pretty slim. This version also comes with 2 compartments, each equipped with silent AquaGuard zippers. Now moving on to the back, we have the ballistic nylon, similar to the previous version with no hidden pocket. However, this time there are only 2 attachment points at the top, which is made of a bit of rope here, which means that this bag is orientated vertically due to their positioning. We do have a brand new detachable shoulder strap with magnetic lock clips. The attachment end hooks onto the rope just up here, which is removable. You simply just hook the strap and click it in to the receiving end here, and you hear a click like this, confirming it's secure. To remove it, you just press the circle button and just slide off. So easily like that. You could also remove these hook clips if you want to, but you could just fold them down for a neater finish. At the top, there's an additional carrying handle, which is a new feature not found on the previous model. And then on both sides, there are webbing loops where I'll introduce the brand new carabiner clip. This is the new hub carabiner clip that allows you to clip things from the side, which is an improvement over the previous model that allowed you to clip downwards and on top. The quick release clip in the front here makes it easier and more convenient to use. You can easily remove it with a magnetic clip attachment like this. I do want to mention this hub carabiner is sold separately, so make sure you check that out as well. Moving on to the main compartment, we opened the double zippers. This one has a wider opening compared to the previous model. It does open slightly wider and it still features the accordion style sides to prevent items from falling out. Starting with the back side, there is also nice adequate padding, which is very good. It does include just one open mesh stretchy pocket where you can place your phone or any cables to keep your organization neat. And then just in the central area, down in the center here, it is slightly larger than the previous one. You can also use the space to fit a battery bank, sunglasses, or any other additional devices you may have. Moving to the front side, we have the Alpaka branding once again. Underneath it is a similar layout to the previous model with just a slight adjustment. There is one large open pocket where you can store your phone, a notebook. There is two stylus and pen pockets again, and then in the center here there are two smaller pockets that can fit small headphones, SSDs, memory cards, or AirTags. Here's the on-body look. This is how it looks when it's worn. It sits nicely at the side and has a compact appearance. You can wear it on the left or the right side depending on your preference again. It's removable, so you can use it as a sling or a carrying pouch. It is versatile enough to be used as a tech pouch that you can store in another bag or backpack. It also passes the stand test. So here's a side-by-side comparison, and they're both open here, and I'll turn them around to show you from the front to the sides to the back as well. You can see. So here's the pricing, size and colour. It is priced at £44 in the UK here. For other currencies and other countries, please check accordingly. It does come in two colours, the army green and the black. It's available in just the one size only with a volume capacity of 2.5 litres. Unfortunately, the Mattress Sling V1 is going to be discontinued, and moving forward the Mattress Sling V2 is a new and upgraded model. So yeah, this concludes the comparison between the previous Mattress Sling V1 and the new Mattress Sling V2. The V2 is the latest upgrade from Alpaka, so be sure to check it out. If you made it this far, there is a special discount code for you down in the description below. Your support means a lot, and it does help me create more videos like these. Thanks to Alpaka for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.